Hi guys, welcome to Course 2. My name is Quartz. Today we'll be unboxing Blaze Ragnarok and Bloody Logness. So, these are again fake, just like the ones that I boxed last time. Wayne Valkyrie and the accused, there they are. If you didn't watch the video, go check it out. See in the description below. Okay, so let's start with Blaze Ragnarok. Keep this aside. So, Blaze Ragnarok comes with BR energy layer 4 and C for frame, FI for tip. I don't know how to say it in reality, but I'm just going to say the letters that it wrote. So here's the launcher. I think that's the I think that's the Beyblade thing. Beyblade sticker. And this cardboard. There's Ragnarok. And this, let's see if it comes the right parts or not. Here's Blaze Ragnarok. It is Blaze Ragnarok, but as you see, it's not the original orange one. Another one here is like a blue metallic version. Did come with 4, as you can see, it looks like 4, but no number. I know it's 4. Come with this. Didn't come with C frame, come with G frame. I don't know. And it came with this rear driver. So we didn't got the right parts, but let me just put all these stuff on. It'll take a while. Oh god. This is so hard. Okay. It's very tight. Also, it also comes with these, which are the gotcha remover stuff. We're not going to use this. Here's a launcher. Going similar for you guys. Just see what it looks like. I think it's good. Okay. There it is. It's not straight, it's bented. I don't think it's okay. It's new, but if this thing is not bented, it will be better. Let's keep that aside. The Ragnarok side. Second, Bloody Logness. So on the back, energy layer BO, disc 13, driver GI. Let's open this. This one, there's no Beyblade logo on the side. Here's the launcher. This fruit thing. I don't know how to call that, I forgot. There's really longness. See if it comes the right parts or not. So it came with 2 metal, not 13. 2 is actually like a Beyblade Evolution metal, and 13 is the turbo. So it's sticking with the right one. Give it Bloody Logness. Cool. And it came with this tip. It says here you want fake sap. And this is also a fake Beyblade. I forgot to mention this before, but let's put this on. The launcher. Again, we're doing this for you guys to see. This, these stuff aside now. Now time to do it. The stadium. We have this launcher right here. So let's do this. Okay, just go and do this first. Lock it. One of it. Dang it. I don't know why, but it didn't work.
She's probably here sometime earlier, but
no, it won't work. Doing this, I don't know why it won't work. Wait, is there a rice bin? No, wait, is it a rice bin? Okay, guys, just not a video. This. Wait, just let me test this out. So, is this a rice bin? Ooh, this is a rice bin, so it'll be a less spin. It's like this. What's that? Actually not. Oh, so it looks like no why guys, but it's not bloody long, it's just not working. Oh, no. Guys, we're going to be doing first one to get a 3 points first wins. I believe bloody long is one first, right? Second round. Didn't got too good. Bloody long again. Ouch. Hurts. So I'm pretty disappointed of this because it's rice bin. Actually guys, I'm pretty happy that this is actually a pretty epic color. And also kind of pretty epic too. Hold on. That round didn't count. Blood Lockman is still got 2 points. Pretty sure Blood will win again. Well, now I don't know if Blood Lockman is not going to win. I don't think Blood Lockman is going to win. He's Blood Lockman and Lofanga, and there we go. Base wreck knock. 1 point. That was a big hit. Blaze Wreck Knock. Again. Survivor finish. Blaze Wreck Knock. Was 1 point. Survivor finish. I don't know why, but Bloody Longer is like just losing randomly in the game. Bloody Longer is lost in this epic colored and yeah, epic colored Blaze Wreck Knock win. And also tip. For some reason it looks so cool. Guys, thanks for watching. And we'll see you guys later. Bye.